Good morning everyone, so welcome to our vlog. We are here today at Lake Dasay San Miguel together with my friends.
I'm Julius Matt M. Figaro. I am Das Richard in Punsi.
So join us and have fun.
Hey, where's your dad? Come here. Where's your dad? Is Lego in? Mantap dong bila ya. Abu bila pakai sendal.
What can you say? It's okay.
I like this at the car.
Car?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
How much is it?
1K.
Yeah.
Magkati saya sa tengah.
Let's look at Julius Matt Figaro eating some pizza.
So, this is a pig. It's my turn to try vlogging. This is my
Hi everyone.
my dog, German Shepherd, and Wolf. Oh, this is my cat. Say hi to my vlog, my cat. My pig. It's soon to be halin. It's available in my Gcash. Click the yellow basket. So hey guys, so it's my turn. So we can look around some places like that. Look, so they are developing some spot of their tourists. And look around, they have a CR, but it's guba-guba. Yeah. So there's Shena, Sambungan, Marlon, Ranchak, Sanga, and Julius Matt Tigaram. So Shena is vlogging too. So guys, we are here to look at some view of Lake Dasay. Kuya Mark. Hey. You know, napakalawa. So we have some friends. They're classmates. So, Jay Sanga, Gopito. Hey. Yos. Hey guys. I'm so Georgios. I'm Georgios. Gorgeous. Hey, this you're wasting the food. This is how you eat pizza. To smooth her. Wait. What? Guys, joke about my marpen. Naluwa naman ako.
We also have here the Lake Dasay cave, but unfortunately it's off limits for we don't have any guide.
That's yes. Tiga rum. Awak parung. Tabune kamera. Udah kamot. Tabune dah. Wow. Beautiful.